Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. Today's video I am going to be sharing my FabFitFun Box. I have been sharing these with you for a while now. I have partnered with FabFitFun for this video, and I think the boxes are really exciting. You can customize some of the things in the box, but the rest is going to be a surprise. And as usual, I did not open this box. I like to open these boxes with you so you can see if I'm excited or if I look at it like, what is that? All right, so let me just tell you a little bit about the FabFitFun Box. It comes in always a very beautiful box, and I think each box is designed by different people. This one here is also in support of the Global Gift and Foundation USA Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria Foundation. So the box is always beautiful. I mean, really, if you're somebody who saves stuff like this, these boxes would look beautiful someplace. They truly would, and they are always seasonal. And the box is $49 per box, and it comes out 4 times a year. It's a seasonal box, and each box is valued at least $200, so you're really getting your money's worth. You can customize just a few items in the box, and if you use code TAMMY, you will get $10 off your first order. And that's all the business part of it I needed to take care of. So let's go ahead and open this box, because that's really the exciting part of it. And I know many of you already get the FabFitFun Box, so in the comments, always let us know what you think of your box. Okay, so when you open it up, it will look like this. There's always a little magazine that says FabFitFun, and inside it usually goes through what's in the box and just little tidbits, which I don't want to look at because I don't want to know what's in the box. I want to be surprised. There's also a little gift card in here for America's #1 meal kit by HelloFresh. It's an $80 gift card off, so that also comes in. And then it says, you deserve some summer fun. I'm gifting you $10 off your first FabFitFun Box. That's $200 worth of presents to yourself for just $39.99. If you use the code TAMMY, that's what you get. Okay, so I am just going to start pulling things out of the box. And the first item that I pull out, remember this box is their summer box, so it will be a summer theme. And this is Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Ooh, very nice. And it's a very large size. This is 13 fluid ounces. Let's see. Okay, I tried to smell it, but it's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed. But it's love it, flaunt it, you've got it. Well, I used to have it. I'm not sure if I have it anymore, but maybe if I start bathing in this, I'll get it back again. So it's a 13 fluid ounce moisturizing shower cream gel. I will use this and let you know what I think. The next item is called Generation Clay. It's an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. And it says, refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture. Apply an even layer to the clean, dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions, then lightly pat your skin dry. So we will give that a try. I'll bet you it's the same color as the package, which is very pretty. That would be a pretty backdrop. I'm going to try to find this color for back here. Oh yes, I like that. All right, so then we have some living proof. And you know I love their overnight mask. It's beautiful. This one here is by Living Proof. It's their Frizz line, Nourishing Styling Cream. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. I have not used this, so I will go ahead and use this and let you know what it's like. Okay, so this is by Wish, and this is an exfoliating foot mask. Now you know I need that, don't you? Yes, I do. So I will definitely be using this, although this bottle might go for 1 foot, folks. It might go for 1 foot. Okay, it's an exfoliating foot mask. Smooths and softens intense hydration. Paraben, sulfate, phthalate, DEA, TEA free. Petrochemical free, cruelty free, and Leaping Bunny certified. What that is. So I'm excited to try that. All right, what else do we have here? We have by Dr. Rogers Healing Balm Restore. This is, you can use it on your chapped lips, cuts and burns, severe dry and sensitive skin, post-procedure skincare, beauty hacks, as a baby ointment. Healing balm, safe, smart, selective, sustainable. I like little tubes like this. I can stick this right in my handbag. But here we go. I've never heard of this. That's another thing about boxes like this. You do get a lot of products that you've never really heard of. Okay, so let's see what else we have. This one's called Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. Let's see what we have here. Comes in a nice little white bag. And, oh, isn't that, oh, it's really kind of cute. Very cute. Oh, it's really pretty. It's got little stars on it. I'll hold it up so you can see it. It's a gold chain. And it has little stars. That's really pretty. I like that. It's very dainty. Very nice, very cute. Great layering piece. So we love that. Okay, so we have another jar. It goes along with this. And this is Brazilian Bum Cream. Girl, I need that. You know I need that. They must have known I was a menopausal woman and everything's sagging. Okay, so this is a fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten smooth like no other. Sol de Janeiro. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. They keep telling me that. All right, so that is that one. Okay, so the next item is by Grace and Stella, Spray All Day Rose Spray. Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Now, I will love that for sure. And I love sprays like this, especially for summer. Now, see, this isn't just a skincare item. This is something you put in your beach bag, and at the beach, you just keep remisting. You put your sunscreen on, you know, you start to get really hot, just mist. It's beautiful. I love things like this. Sometimes when I'm outside, even just sitting with the dogs underneath, you know, in the shade, sometimes I just get warm as a menopausal woman, and I just spritz away. I love them. Love, love, love my misters. Love them. Okay, so then we also have these little invisible baubles, invisible bauble, the original, for your hair. A little pack of those, and there's 6 of them in there, clear, and the other ones are peach, so that's nice. Okay, and so the next item is by Sienna, XO Sienna, and it's felt message board. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, okay. So it's one of those boards that is felt, and it has little grooves in it. And then you can take any of these little plastic thingies. Wait a minute, I'm going to do one, and I'll be back in a minute. I'll be back in a minute. Hang on. I'm back. So this is what you also get it in. It's a felt board, and then you have, it comes with little happy faces and the alphabet. And I just think that's really cute, and I do. I love you all. So that is my FabFitFun Box for the summer season. Remember, you can get $10 off your first box with the code TAMMY. All right, my friends, that's it for me. Let me know in the comments if you have been receiving the FabFitFun Box, if it's something you've been thinking about. Have you been happy with the box? And when you customize it, do you get different things than I've gotten here today? So I am going to say goodbye now and get busy with my bum cream. Yes, I am. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you are made aware of all the videos that I am putting out. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous. The next time you see me, my bum cheeks might be up here because I've been using my bum cream. Love you guys.